Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Math. Question number 26. How Mei bought some beads. She gave away 33 of them, and Lily gave her the same number of beads as the number of beads she had left. She put all the beads equally into 4 bowls. Each bowl contained 5 beads. How many beads did Lily give her? 韩美美她买了一些小豆子，然后呢，她把其中33个给出去了。然后李雷呢，看他剩下来多少，看韩梅梅剩下来多少，就会给他同样多的豆子。然后呢，他把所有剩下来的这些豆子呢，平均分成4碗，每一碗里边呢会有5颗豆子。请问李雷给了韩梅梅多少颗豆子呢？ Okay, we first need to know the total number of beads Han Mei Mei had in the end. Each bowl 5 times 4 bowls, 20. And this is the total number of beads Han Mei Mei left in the end. And since Li Lei gave her the same number of beads as the number of beads she had left, so if she had left X, then Li Lei will give her X beads. So we need to divide 20 by 2. The answer is 10. That means after giving away 33 bits, Han Mei Mei left 10 bits. She had left 10 bits. After what? After she gave away 33 bits. Okay, so Li Lei gave her 10 bits. The answer is 10. Okay, thanks for watching this video.